Princess Mock here. Today I'd like to share with you how to look curvy if you're skinny. So I'm gonna share with you tips to look more curvy. Let's start. Which clothes or items should you wear to look curvy and stop appearing skinny? Wear bootcut jeans. Bootcut or flare jeans create fullness and minimize a too slim appearance. These jeans create fullness at the bottom and help you look more curvy. Wear wrap dresses. Wrap dresses make the waist look smaller, which makes the hips appear larger. A wrap dress helps you to create a curvier appearance. What about belts? Wear a belt. A belt creates a curvier appearance. Try skinny belts to make your hips appear larger and create an hourglass shape. Speaking about tailored blazers, wear a tailored blazer. These blazers help define the waist and create an hourglass shape. They create a curvier appearance. Wear peplum tops. Peplum tops or blouses create an hourglass shape and give you a curvier appearance. Choose peplum tops if you wanna look more curvy. What about items you shouldn't wear? Avoid the following items if you wanna look curvy. These items are not suitable for skinny women. Let's begin with baggy clothes. Avoid baggy clothes because they are not flattering on any figure and won't create a curvier appearance. These types of clothes are a no-no. Avoid pencil skirts because they are more narrow at the bottom and can make you appear more slim. These skirts will not create a curvier appearance. Avoid skinny jeans. Whether you have slim legs or thicker ones, skinny jeans will make that more obvious. They are not a good option for skinny women. Finally, exercise. Add squats to your workout. Not only squats burn calories and reduce stress, but also help you to look more curvy. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in watching more videos about beauty and fashion, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Princess Mock and turn on the notification button so you don't miss any videos related to fashion and beauty. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.